In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do in-person signing with DocuSign. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is head over to DocuSign.com. Now, this might be familiar to some of you, but if you're new, please don't worry. It's easy and straightforward. Upon reaching the website, look for the Login button. It's usually at the top right corner. Click on that and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, there's a sign-up option just for you. The process is quite intuitive, guiding you step by step to create your account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. This is your main dashboard. Here you have two choices. You can either start a new transaction by clicking the Start button, which is a great option if you need something fresh. Alternatively, if you wish to use an existing setup, head over to the Templates tab. This is where you can select one of your saved templates, making adjustments as necessary. Now, if you're beginning a new transaction, you'll need to upload the document that needs signing. Simply follow the prompts and upload your file swiftly. DocuSign supports a variety of formats, so you should have no problems here. Next, we'll move to the Add Recipients section. This is where it gets slightly crucial. To the right of Needs to Sign, there's a drop-down arrow. Click on that, and the option you are looking for is In-Person Signer. Select this so that we can proceed with our in-person signing session. After that, it's time to add the required signature fields. Make sure you double-check these. Accuracy is key. You don't want to miss any important signature spots. With everything set up, click Next and take your time to review the document. Make sure all the details are correct. A thorough review is essential to avoid any errors or omissions before the signing starts. Now it's time for the in-person signing session. Ensure the signer is present with you and begin the process. Here, your role is to guide the signer through each field that requires their attention. Be there to answer any questions they might have and assist them along the way. Finally, once every field is covered and all signatures are in place, make sure to complete the session by saving the signed document. This is a critical step to ensure everything is securely stored and ready for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully completed an in-person signing with DocuSign. This method ensures signatures are efficiently collected while maintaining the personal touch of being there in person. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, take care and happy signing.